All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to a round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? I'm going to show you how to make Mrs. Fields cookies, and you can add or subtract whatever you want, but I'll show you how the recipe comes together. I'm going to change the screen. This is just a quick video. Somebody said, why are you doing these? Well, it helps me keep recipes that I really like and that I use and I think are great, and keeps them in an organized fashion. So I started to do little short videos and just add them into my YouTube channel. So here we go. Let me show you how to make these. Okay, so the recipe is a favorite among a lot of people, even out at the club, and we swap all kinds of things. We talk about tools, we talk about projects, we talk about cooking, we talk about gadgets, we talk about everything, but we also talk about what's good cooking. So everybody likes cookies. This is one of them. I mean, and it's optional if you want to add the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Other than that, the directions are right here. You can hit the pause key, write it down, and I'll keep bringing you these really, kind of brief, get to the point kind of videos if you folks like it. If you know of a better recipe, drop it below in the comment section. I mean, otherwise, you can give this a try one of these days and you'll know where to come back to find the recipe. All right, I hope you give me a thumbs up. I hope you click subscribe. Let me know if you like these videos by giving me that thumbs up, and and I'll keep posting them out there for everybody. Otherwise, I'm going to still keep doing them because, like I said, it adds to my collection of cooking recipes. So thank you, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.